do you perform laser vision correction or LASIK on both eyes at the same time? And the answer is yes. In almost all cases, we will. In a very rare circumstance, we're interested in treating one eye at a time. We'd like to give you back your distance vision, but we don't want to fully take away your near vision. So you may have one eye that might be perfect for reading for you. And so if we can, we'd love to be able to only treat one eye and leave the other eye untreated to allow that to be your near vision eye. But in general, for most patients, we treat both eyes at the same time. And in the extensive, I'm talking millions of eyes treated around the world, this is not shown to be a significant problem in any way. We've seen incredibly low rates of complication, infection, and so on from bilateral laser vision correction, and it is the standard of care in this particular procedure. If you have questions about that, call my office, 630-724-1400, or visit my website, glassesfree.com. And remember, there's no charge for your initial consultation.